Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and will be showing you 3 examples of each good, bad of readability and legibility. First, we have the definitions. Well, it's not technically the main definition, it's just like a quick definition. Readability is how easily you read the words, while legibility is how easily you see the words. First, we have readability good examples, and as you can tell, you can easily read them. And you can see the first one, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, MacBook Air, and then stop. And second, I wasn't able to find a third example, but the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, I believe is what it says. And then Coca-Cola, I know it's easily readable because everybody knows it, but if you were looking at it the first time, you would probably think it's a G in the second, where it says cola. Now next we have legibility good examples. As you can see, Pepsi is clearly written over the white background. And also the white background on this is type. I just created that. While a good dog, you can easily read it. Or tell what it is. And here we have legibility bad examples. And as you can tell, the backgrounds are of a color that's similar to the font color, or the transparency is lower. As you can tell in the first example, it's just really bunched up rather than definition, but you can hardly see them unless you zoom in all the way. And then now we have legibility, which the text font is like a dark grayish while the background is black. And then the third example we have is a light baby bluish background with a pink text, which is really hard to see. Thank you.